So let's try a couple with tan. Let's see. Tan x minus 1 equals 0. Here, just for a bit of interest, let's do it between 0, whoops, I can't write the right thing, x, and 360. So here I've been told degrees. The fact that there's 360 in there is another clue. I'm looking for degrees here, not radians. That's the same method. First, rearrange the equation. That means tan x is 1, so I'm talking about my 45-degree triangle. So x is 45 degrees. Or, where's the other one? Well, tan, remember, is positive here and opposite here. If that's 45, then that's 45. I want 180 plus 45, which is 225 degrees. If this had been 2 pi, so we're looking for radians, I'd be looking at pi on 4 and 5 pi on 4. What if I change the domain so it's no longer in the first whole circle? Let's try this. Tan x equals minus root 3 between minus pi and pi. Well, root 3 is coming from this triangle, 1, 2, root 3. So this is pi on 6 and this is pi on 3. If tan is root 3, opposite on adjacent for tan, I'm looking at pi on 3. So my reference angle is pi on 3, but tan is negative. So actually, I'm now here or here. Okay, this is pi on 3, or this is pi on 3. Well, this one, actually let's do this one first. This one is pi minus pi on 3. It's actually a bit further around, I didn't draw it very well. Pi minus pi on 3 is 2 pi on 3. The other one here, I would normally say was 2 pi minus pi on 3 and get 5 pi on 3. But the domain I'm looking for is actually down to negative pi. So I actually just want negative pi on 3. And those are my two solutions. Okay, let's try a different domain with a sine or cos. Let's try sine. Sine x equals a half between pi on 2 and pi. So I'm only interested in what? What is this? This is the second quadrant. Okay, a half is back in this triangle. Opposite on hypotenuse, sine, we're talking about pi on 6. So normally I'd be saying pi on 6, but I don't actually want this angle. I want this one in the second quadrant between pi on 2 and pi. So this is pi minus pi on 6. So the only possible option in this domain, only possible option for x, is that it has to be pi minus pi on 6, which is 5 pi on 6.